Welcome back to the channel of Chem Pacific. I have come up with yet another video of solutions of important CSIR PYQs with best notes. I already made one important video earlier, previous video. Do check it out. It will be very beneficial to you. Now, before we get started, if you want to explore more, consider subscribing Chem Pacific, and also if you like your video, to press the like button. Now, let's get started. In this video, this is going to be a very short video, but I would like to discuss with you about a very important topic, that is the migratory insertion. So basically students यूजुअली यही एज्यूम करते हैं जब जितना भी कार्बोनिल इंसर्शंस आर ओनली अबाउट माइग्रेटरी इंसर्शन. द आंसर इज नो. ऑल द कार्बोनिल इंसर्शंस आर migratory insertions, but all migratory insertions are not carbonyl insertions. So in order to study that, I have come up with this video. Now let us study one example, one of migratory insertion. Let us take one complex, one octahedral complex, and study this migratory insertion in detail. Okay, so we're having these ligands. Now the most important that we need to study is this. So this is the inserted one. This is very important. This is an example of migratory insertion. Very important, students. And you have this. So when you have this kind of condition, वहाँ पे जहाँ पे you have one migratory ligand, so this is acting as a migratory ligand. So this will actually get migrated over here, and this will actually get inserted. Very important, students. ये जो मैं आप लोगों को ये कंसेप्ट पढ़ा रही हूँ, आप देखेंगे यही कंसेप्ट के ऊपर एग्जाम में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं. So you add on heating, it will result in the formation of this is, since this is getting migrated, so this will result in the formation of the vacant space. Okay, so now this will result in the formation of this. This will get inserted to this, and this will get migrated, this CH3 group. I hope you can easily visualize this. And this got inserted. तो ये जो मैंने आप लोगों को कंसेप्ट पढ़ाया आप लोगों को अभी, आप देखेंगे कि इसके ऊपर बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आर एक्चुअली कमिंग. इसलिए कंसेप्ट समझना बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. ठीक है. एंड देन अगर आप यहाँ पे आइसोटोप लेबलिंग करते हो, दिस विल डेफिनेटली ऑक्यूपाई द वैकेंट स्पेस. So definitely this is definitely going to occupy the vacant space if you result in isotope leveling. And the rest is this complex formation of the product. Okay, so ये जो मैंने आप लोगों को माइग्रेटरी इंसर्शन यहाँ पे दिखाया, यही कंसेप्ट के ऊपर आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चंस आ चुके हैं. Now let us solve all those questions. Now the first question is CSIR-NET December 2016. Now let's solve this question. This is very important. So they're asking for this, what is going to be the product? They're asking what is going to be A, not exactly the product A. ये बहुत important है, और यही जो concept हमने पढ़ाई किया है वही हम solve करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. Now let's solve it. So solution. So this was actually our reactant as per the question of the CSIR-NET exam. So if you calculate this, cobalt is having the valence electrons 9, this is 5, and this 1 1 and this becomes turn out to be 2. So this is 9, this 5, this 1 1, and this is 2 electron donating species. Okay, so this will turn out to be 9 plus 5 plus 4 is 18 electronic species. So 18 electronic species, you must be knowing that this is resulting in the dissociative mechanism. Before that, students must be knowing that CD3 जो है carbon is having electronic configuration 2s2 2p2. ठीक है, so this will come up over here and it will result in, now you have the deuterium. This will result in the sigma bond formation and resulting in the formation of CD3, and due to the presence of one unpaired electron, so you can see this is 1 electron donor. PPMe3 is 2 electron donor, and this is the eta 5 mode, this is 5 electron donor. So PMe3 is 2 electron donor due to the presence of its lone pair of electrons. Okay, now let us proceed with this. So since this is an 18 electronic so it will result in the formation of dissociative mechanism, and यहाँ पे ligand substitution हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, and it will result in this. So I just now I informed you, अगर you have this type of situation जहाँ पे आपके पास एक methyl group है, so this is the proton which is getting substituted by the deuterium. Okay, no issue with that. So when you have this kind of situation, when you have one alkene which is cis2 methyl group, then this will act as the migratory group and this will get inserted. So this will act as the migratory group and this will get inserted. This is the migratory ligand and this is getting inserted. Very important. Okay, so with this, what is going to happen? Let us proceed with this. So with this migratory insertion, so this is resulting in the migratory insertion. This will result in the migratory insertion. So now let us write the product. This will result in the formation of तो ये CD3 तो यहाँ पे शिफ्टेड हो गए थे. ठीक है, so यही this is the migratory group. Now with this, अभी यहाँ पे आपको स्टडी करना है ये और क्या हो सकता है. So this is your alpha carbon and this is your beta carbon, है ना. So यहाँ पे जो हो सकता है beta hydrogen elimination is enough feasible. So this will result in the beta hydrogen elimination, resulting in the formation of this. So since with this beta hydrogen elimination, it will turn out to the alkene group. Now you have to study, this is very important students. See, in the organometallic chemistry, mostly what happens, बहुत ही मैक्सिमम टोटल 6 रिएक्शंस होते हैं. ठीक है, तो वहां पे सबके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं. सो द 2 reactions is oxidative addition and the 4 reactions are, first 4 reaction oxidative addition, reductive elimination, beta hydrogen transfer, carbonyl insertion, and the extra 2 are dissociative mechanism and associative mechanism. So all individual reactions they have certain characteristics. Like जब हम beta hydrogen elimination के बारे में सोच रहे थे, इसलिए हमने सोचा क्योंकि we have detected the presence of one beta hydrogen. That is why we actually came into conclusion that यहाँ पे बीटा हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेशन होगा. तो जब यहाँ पे बीटा हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेशन हो गया, we see that the CD3 group and this, they are in the cis position. Therefore, they are actually giving us the indication about the formation of the CD3H, resulting in the formation of the reductive elimination reaction. ठीक है. So जो criteria इसे satisfy कर रहे हैं वही criteria का reaction यहाँ पे होगा. ठीक है. Now this will result in the formation of this product. Now this is most important. यहाँ पे तो हमारा product formation हो गया है. After that you add PME3. It will just occupy the vacant site and result in the formation of this. But this is not given in the exam. Exam point of view में आपने देखा कि यहाँ पे something different is given. This is because what is actually taking place, this CD3H and this group, they are now undergoing metathesis reaction. Very, very important. These two are now undergoing metathesis reaction. Now, what do you mean by the metathesis reaction? I already discussed with you in my earlier videos that metathesis reactions are nothing but in a simple way exchange of partners. Do check them out. So this is the metathesis reaction. In this case, you can say that the exchange of partners will take place. So this portion is now going to get exchanged with this, and this will result in the formation of our desired product, and that has been given. So this is very important. The last step, keep it in your mind, is resulting in the formation of the metathesis reaction. Very important. तो अगर आप ये छोटे छोटे बात के जो concepts है इसके बारे में आप confident हो जाते हो, then आप बहुत easily आप सारे solve कर सकते हो on your own. So this is our required product A, which is the answer. Okay, so our answer is this. Okay, this is our required product. So always remember, you have to study the complex and you have to point out the criteria. तो क्राइटेरिया और कंडीशंस उसका अगर आप स्टडी करते हो, आप क्लियरली खुद से समझ जाते हो कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन इट इज गोइंग टू टेक प्लेस. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल जब हमने मैग्नेटरी इंसर्शन देखा, उसमें क्राइटेरिया क्या था, कोई भी एल्किन ग्रुप जो है उसके सिस पोजीशन में अगर एक मिथाइल ग्रुप है, इट विल रिजल्ट इन माइग्रेटरी इंसर्शन. ठीक है. सो दिस इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ द माइग्रेटरी इंसर्शन. जब माइग्रेटरी इंसर्शन हो गया है, नेक्स्ट स्टेप में हमने देखा ड्यू टू प्रेजेंस ऑफ द बीटा हाइड्रोजन. अगर बीटा हाइड्रोजन है, डेफिनेटली इट विल अंडरगो बीटा हाइड्रोजन एलिमिनेशन. उसके बाद हमने देखा that these two positions, they are cis to each other, and this will result in the formation of a very good product, that is CD3H. ठीक है. So this will result in the formation of the reductive. This is the criteria of the reductive elimination. अगर कोई भी group है which can come out as a neutral molecule, and if these two groups are cis to each other, it will result in reductive elimination. This is actually defining the reductive elimination reaction. ठीक है. उसके बाद जब as per the product, you see that they are just exchanging partners, and you know, and this is nothing but the explanation of the metathesis reaction resulting in the formation of our product. So आप उसे बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी करो, so you will have the concept. अगर आप जितने भी, इसीलिए अच्छा नोट्स पे पढ़ाई करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो अगर आपके वो कंसेप्ट एंड साइंस क्लियर है, आप खुद ही वो आंसर सॉल्व कर सकते हो, बिकॉज यू नो दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ complex is having this kind of criteria, that is why this will undergo this kind of reactions. As simple as that. Now let us move on to the next question, the last question of this video. This is CSIR-NET June 2019. Okay, now they are asking consider the following reactions. So we are going to solve all the reactions step by step. Before that, I would like to inform you that this reaction we have just solved. This is the reaction we have just solved, है ना? So this reaction we have just solved the same thing, and it actually resulted in the formation. So considering the reaction, they are asking which one is not going to produce ethane. ठीक है. So let us solve the questions. ठीक है? So let's see this. Now the first question, let us solve the first question first of all. Now let us solve the questions one by one. Now let us take the first example. That is this one. The first example. Okay. So this is our complex of constant that has been given. So this is your metal platinum and you are having this. So I already informed you that कोई भी complex जो आपके पास है वहाँ पे आप हमेशा देखो कि उसमें क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया है. जब आप क्राइटेरिया स्टडी कर लेते हो तब रिएक्शंस क्या होगा वो आप खुद ही समझ जाते हो. ठीक है. तो if you study this you can definitely find out that the most important criteria in this reaction is the presence of beta hydrogen, but you can also see that there are two beta hydrogen which are actually present. Okay. ठीक है. One with the alkyl ethyl group and one with this. Now the question arises, which one would result in the formation of the product? The answer is obviously the one which is more acidic in nature, that will actually result in beta elimination. Obviously the proton over here, this proton is more acidic in nature, that is why this will result in the beta elimination, resulting in the formation of, this will result in beta elimination. Okay, so that will result in the formation of this product. And then when you get the product, again you have to study कि इसमें ऐसा क्या criteria है जो कि हमारे पास जो total 2+4 reactions है उसमें वो fit बैठते हैं. So you can see you are having the two groups which are cis to each other, one the alkyl, another in cis, that will result in the formation of an alkene. And since these two groups, they are actually cis to each other, so therefore they can result in the formation of a neutral molecule alkene and resulting in the formation of reductive elimination. तो उसका criteria study करके ही किस type of reaction it will undergo आप बहुत easily predict कर सकते हो. तो it is very important to understand the criteria of the complexes. What are the criteria that are present, and that will give you hint or with which you can easily come out with the solution. So with this you are having C2H6. So obviously this is C2H6, this is the ethane group. So the complex number 1 जो है, it was actually given us the ethane. So इसमें हमें ethane मिल रहा है. So this cannot be the answer. Now let us move on to the next question. Now the next complex, that is the example number B. Now let us solve this. With the example number B, you have 1 minute, let me see this complex. Yes. So with the example B, you have this, they have given you this. So this is again, अगर आप complex को study करते हो, very easily you can figure out that यहाँ पे it will definitely undergo reductive elimination, because with cis you are having two alkyl groups which actually come out as the neutral molecule and resulting in the reductive elimination and the formation of the C2H6, and it is resulting in the formation of the ethane. ठीक है, so very easy, and it resulted in the formation of this. अच्छा, then they have actually added MEI, है ना? They've added this MEI, so obviously this can undergo MEI molecule. Obviously ये भी आप study करके आराम से कर सकते हो, that this will result in the formation of oxidative addition. All the criteria you know, so this will result in the oxidative addition and the trans, because this is heterogeneous addition. Okay, so this complex is also resulting in the formation of ethane, so this can never be the answer. Now answer number C I have just solved, but for you all I am going to solve it once again ठीक है. So this I have just solved. You see the questions are getting repeated, इसलिए yearly paper बहुत अच्छे से करना है. ठीक है, और उसका कंसेप्ट जो है उसे बहुत अच्छे से समझना है. सो यहाँ पे आई रिपीट, जो माइग्रेटरी इंसर्शन हमने पढ़ाई किए थे वो फिर से हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. एंड आई ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म यू दिस इज रिजल्टिंग इन द 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस इज 18 इलेक्ट्रॉन, this will result in dissociative mechanism, and with this they are adding this, so you will be getting, they are adding CH2 double bond CH2, and you will be getting this product, and this PPH3 will come out and resulting in the formation of the dissociative mechanism and ligand exchange. सो वहाँ पे जस्ट CD3 था, यहाँ पे CH3 है, यही डिफरेंस है. तो मैंने आप लोगों को बहुत बार कहा है, अगर कोई एल्किन ग्रुप है विच इज इन सिस पोजिशन, आई ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म यू अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, यू हैव वन एल्किन ग्रुप विच इज इन सिस पोजिशन विद अ migratory inserted group like CH3, then this will result in the migratory insertion. So this is an example. So this will get inserted and this will get migrated. This will get inserted and this is the migratory ligand. Okay, so product आप खुद ही predict कर सकते हो now, because now you understand the science, so you can easily predict this. जब आपको ये product मिल गया है तब आपको study करना है इसमें ऐसा क्या criteria है जिससे ये कोई reactions undergo कर सकते हैं. तो the criteria is you can easily, so this will result in the form, so this CH3 जो है this got actually migrated. ठीक है, now you can easily, अगर इसे complex को study करते हो, you can easily see that there is a presence of beta hydrogen, there is a presence of beta hydrogen, and therefore it will result in the beta hydrogen elimination or beta elimination. So this will result in this and this will come out to this. So this will result in the beta elimination. So it is very important that बहुत अच्छे से आप criterias देखो. आप जानते हो जब इसमें beta hydrogen रहता है it results in beta elimination. So product आप खुद ही predict कर सकते हो. ठीक है, this will result in the formation of this. Okay, and this is the eliminated, 1 minute. So this is the eliminated alkene group which you can see, visualize easily. It is visible to us that this is what? This is not an ethane. So this is the only one which is not resulting in the formation. So in this case no ethane is actually formed. Okay, and also अगर आप इसे थोड़ा और स्टडी करते हो तो you can also see this is also capable of undergoing reductive elimination and CH4 will come out. So यहाँ पे the methane is coming out resulting in the formation of this. So you can easily see that यहाँ पे no ethane is formed because these are the products. These are the products, and you can nowhere find ethane. So the answer is C, the last one. So this is very important. So the answer is C. This is very important, and through this problem I just wanted to make you all understand the fact that कैसे आप एक complex देखते हो, वहाँ पे उसका criteria study करते हो और predict करते हो कि what kind of reaction it can actually take place. So I hope you like your video. Thank you for watching your video. Thank you, and if you also like your video, do